If you want to know how to make the best KFC fried chicken at home, just keep on watching this video. It's very easy and simple to make this crispy chicken at home, and you spend less money and you get more chicken. Just keep on watching this video. Okay, you guys? So, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. To start with my fried chicken KFC, so I'm just gonna wash my chicken. I just put vinegar and salt and then just rinse them. Yes, I do wash my chicken, and after I'm gonna add some hot boiling water to my chicken. So I'm rinsing my chicken first, and then after, just trust the process, okay? Just keep on watching. So now I'm adding my hot water to my chicken and cover it. Let it sit for 20 minutes. It's just a pre-cook. So it tastes better and it's so juicy when I do it like this. So I added my hot water and then let it sit for 20 minutes and you are good to go. Now I'm getting rid of the excess water, put them in another bowl, and I'm gonna season my chicken. So for the seasoning, I'm just gonna use some dry seasoning. Not a lot. I'm adding chili flakes. Right now I'm adding some cayenne pepper. If you want it spicy, you can add it, but if you don't want it spicy, just add a little bit for taste. So me, I like my spicy, and as you can see, I'm adding some adobo too, and I'm gonna add some ground pepper. This is the chicken bouillon, and a little bit of salt and mustard to it. So the chicken can taste better, it can taste good. It's very, very good. It's very, very, very easy to make the best KFC chicken. So you make it at home for your kids. You don't have to spend a lot of money just to go buy some fried chicken. You can make this at home, you know? Yeah. This is complete seasoning I'm adding. So make this at home for your kids, and then you can make, if you want to know how to make the fries too, I can show you how to make the best fries, potatoes at home. So you don't have to spend your money at the KFC. Yeah. So now I'm beating my eggs and I'm gonna add it to my chicken and set it aside. Just let it marinated for like 30 minutes before I starting the process, just to start frying my chicken. You see the chicken as it's just pre-cooked already. So you don't have to worry about put them in the oil. It's not gonna cook. It's already pre-cooked. Now this is my chicken after 30 minutes. I have some flour. I'm gonna add some paprika to my chicken and my flour. Add some adobo to my flour. I don't need to add anything to my chicken, just the paprika. I'm adding now to my flour. I'm adding some chili flakes too. So mix them together, and then now I'm ready to mix everything. So now to my chicken, I'm just gonna transfer it to the flour. Just make sure the flour is all over the chicken and put it back in the other bowl, and then put it back in the flour again. I just do it twice, and then after I'm gonna start the process of frying my chicken. Trust me, if you do it like this, oh boy, I love making those. Instead of go out there buy stuff, I'm like, I have everything at home. I can do this at home. I don't have to spend money on that. I know how to do it. I got this. And my son love it. My husband love it too. So after I do it twice, now I'm just gonna put them in a tray so I can start frying them. I'm just gonna fry them for like 8 to 10 minutes per side, and I'm gonna fry them at 400 degree. So this is my fry.